Alrighty guys, thank you so much for coming back and checking out yet another video. If you guys are new, go ahead and subscribe to my channel down below. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you will not miss any of my videos coming up. If you just want to jump right into the video, then go ahead and just keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today filled in my brows with the NYX brow pencil, and this is in espresso. And to conceal my eyes, I am using the e.l.f. Camo concealer, and this is in medium beige. I'm gonna go into the Juvia's Place Afrique palette, and I'm going to be using most of the colors that I will be using today will be from this particular palette. And I'm gonna go in with this brown shade right here, and I'm going to use that as my first transitional color, the Afrique palette. And I'm going to go into this orange shade right here. So I'm going to use this color right here, and this is Iffy. Alright, so I'm gonna go into my trusty Saharian palette, and I'm gonna take this black right here. So I'm gonna go in the Saharian 2 palette, and I'm gonna take this red right here. I love this red. I'm gonna go back into the Afrique palette, and I am gonna take this greenish shimmer color right here, and I'm gonna put that on to my lid. So the next palette I'm gonna go into, again, Juvia's Place. Y'all know I love Juvia's Place. Their palette is bomb. That's just it. Okay, so I'm gonna take this oh gosh, you can't see it properly, hold on. I'm gonna take this shade right here. It's very it's like a lime green with gold dust on it. It is just unbelievably stunning. Like, it's just gorgeous. Oh, what do you know, it does look, I put it on there. Ooh, I love it. Oh yes. Oh, this is so pretty. Really while you cross with me. So today I'm gonna be using a new foundation. I'm gonna be using the Fenty foundation. This is the hydrating one. I'm in the shade 410, and this one is catered to dry skin because our skin need that moisture. So anything hydrating. And the packaging, I absolutely love the packaging, and it matches me perfectly with the Sephora micro smooth powder, and set my foundation. For me personally, I feel like it gives me a more natural, seamless look. I'm in shade number 10. This setting powder from Fenty. This is in the shade Honey. I love this. I think I don't know if I'll go back to using the banana powder. So for my powder, I'm going to use a Sigma brush, and this is the concealer blend brush, but I don't use this for blending out my concealer. I actually use it for my powder to kind of like get in there. Okay, and I am using the new Fenty bronzer. looks like so. MAC mineralized finish powder in dark. I'm going to be using these two shadows right here as my blush. So the lashes I'm going to be using are just regular you know, generic ones. This is the Tribe palette, and I'm gonna take the gold shade right here in the middle, just a little bit, and I'm gonna highlight my brow bone with that. I'm gonna go in with this copper color right here. Them shadows get in your eyes. I'm gonna go into Zara right here. I'm gonna go in with this NYX lip liner, and this is in Urban Cafe. So, and the lipstick that I'm gonna go in with is called Cashmere Silk. It's like that color. Yeah, so this is the final look, guys. Let me know what you guys think, if you guys like this look. I really do like this look. If you guys like this video, definitely give me a thumbs up. Yeah, if you are also not following me on Instagram, please go ahead and do so. I will leave my handle right here on the screen. It'll also be in the description box below. Guys, see you guys later. Bye.